Hey guys, it is Sunday here in West Virginia, and today we're going to do a Hot Wheels 5-pack unboxing for you, and this is on the Nissan 5-pack. I've been looking for this for a while, not really for myself, but for Ethan's collection, and it was just cool that I found this at Walmart this past weekend, and wasn't even really looking for it. I kind of gave up hope on it. I figured they were all sold out and all the scalpers were grabbing them and they were going to be gone, but we found one right on the front of the pegs actually, and it was the only one available. So this is it right here, and pretty cool. It's the first Nissan 5-pack that I've ever seen from Hot Wheels, and you have your Fairlady, your Silvia, your Hako, your R32, and then your 620 pickup. So really cool. Has the Nissan logo, Nissan writing on the side of the box, and then on this side it has the back of that little Fairlady kind of drifting. You can see the smoke cloud behind it. And then on the back side you just have a bunch of licensing stuff. And then the full picture of that Fairlady doing a drift, which is pretty cool. I like that card art, or box art, I should say. So let's get this guy ripped open and take a look at these. So Ethan can have these cars. You want to play with these, right, Ethan? Yeah, he wants to put them on his Hot Wheels Ultimate Garage and see how they do going down the hill, if they can make the jumps before the dyno gets them. So, anyways, these are a little bit more complicated to open than most, but I think it's got this dotted line that you can kind of snap along here, and then this will fold out, and then you can pull the tray out. Now, that's something that I just recently figured out when we got our Fast and Furious 5-pack, and sorry guys, we did not open that for you, but yeah, I learned that dotted line, you just kind of push in and it tears, and then that folds up and that tray pulls right out, and then you can kind of put them all back in and fold it closed again without really destroying the box that much, and hang it back on the wall or do whatever you want with it. So that is pretty cool. So that's a trick with that box if you didn't know that, because as I said, I just kind of taught myself that recently. So let's start with the top one. This is your Datsun 620 pickup. Pretty cool looking little guy here. The Datsun stamped across the rear tailgate. Not much light detail, but these are mainline cars. But I do like this casting that it has the mirrors casted into it. It's one thing Hot Wheels has stepped up the game on. It has the FTE style wheels on it too. Hot Wheels have been casting in the mirrors on a lot of their new cars. So this is the latest R32 casting. Well, not the latest, but it came out like 2 or 3 years ago. Much better than the original. The original one wasn't bad, like the Legends Tour car from last year, and the '07 Super Treasure Hunt. The casting was cool, but it was more of a modded out casting. This is more of a stock looking R32. Has all of your livery on the hood for like your co-sponsors, HKS and, well, Hot Wheels, of course. Once again, casted in mirrors. It looks good with the 10 spokes. No tampos for headlights. Our tail lights are there though, and the GTR and the Nissan emblems are on the back side, so that looks pretty cool. Then, coming next, is my favorite of all the GTRs, the Godfather, the originator, the Hako, and Hakosuka. And anyways, this is pretty cool casting. Little big for 1/64th, but still very well done. Has the intercooler, headlight covers for like the racing applications, flares on the front and rear. Not sure how I feel about the purple paint. I can deal with that. The white walls and the wheels, though, I do not like. They use like a lace looking wheel with the white wall. I do not like those white walls. That was the one downside of like the 2021 mailing cars, those white lipped wheels. I do not like those. But besides that, very cool car. It's got the detailed door handles, marker lights and stuff. So pretty cool. And then moving along, you have your, I think it's the S14. I don't know. It's a Silvia. And this also has the casted mirrors, which is really cool. Some Japanese livery on the side there. Like the red line lipped wheels. Those are pretty cool. Kind of like a PR5 looking wheel. Tail light tampos, which are awesome. All the marker backup and stuff. Silvia emblem, Nissan emblems and such. Nothing on the front though. I hate when they do that. They go all out on one end and not on the other. But still, a really cool looking car. And then, last but not least, is the poster car, the Fairlady. And this is pretty cool. I like that thicker sidewall looking wheel. And it almost makes it look like real riders from far away because it has a thick sidewall. I do like that. And it's like a tiger striped paint job. It looks like Nissan with the 80 across the roof. No tail light details. No headlight details. But still a pretty cool casting. So, do like this 5-pack. And then the one that we picked up earlier on, and once again, sorry for not doing an unboxing on it, was the most recent F&F set, the one with the Aston Martin DB5 and the Supra and the iconic Charger duo. There was also the Mustang in it. And I forget what the other one was. But anyways, we had that, but we didn't do the unboxing on it. Sorry. But maybe next time when we get another F&F or unique 5-pack, we'll try to do the unboxing for you guys. Yeah, this was kind of a episode in its own. That's why I didn't merge in the premiums that I said I was going to. We'll do another video on some Hot Wheels premiums here, maybe later today or Tuesday, because tomorrow, as you know, is Mopar Monday, and we do have a special in store for you guys this Mopar Monday. You may have seen pictures of it already on my IG. It is a 124 Danbury Mint tubbed out Pro Street 1958 Plymouth Fury. It is totally badass, well detailed, beautiful piece that was made about 20 years ago. We'll be unboxing it and taking a look at it together tomorrow in detail. So be sure to tune in for that, especially for you guys that are into the bigger scales. That'll be a treat for you. So thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy your Sunday.